Two of the highest profile attorneys in the state of Texas will prosecute the impeachment case against State Attorney General Ken Paxton. Hello, I'm Steve Eager.
Hello, everybody. I'm Heather Hayes. The House impeachment managers introduced Dick DeGuerin and Rusty Hardin today. Both men gave very blunt opinions about the case against Paxton. Fox 4 Stephen Dial in now with a closer look. Stephen.
The House hired two heavy-hitter lawyers with a who's who client list of professional athletes to politicians. The veteran lawyers will be the ones questioning witnesses and cross-examining the evidence provided by the Attorney General's legal team. Now the lawyers will be aided by a 12-person impeachment manager team, which includes 4 Republicans from North Texas. Attorney General Ken Paxton was impeached by the House last Saturday with a supermajority vote of 121 to 23. 20 articles of impeachment were voted on, describing claims of bribery, abuse of power, and an affair while in office. The lawyers who spoke today say Ken Paxton's legal team should have the opportunity to cross-examine all witnesses just like a normal trial. Rusty Hardin said that the articles of impeachment are just allegations right now, but he said the evidence is what he calls 10 times worse than what we know.
The first 5 involve a friend of the governor. When you talk about misuse of the process and misuse of the office, you then get to the firing of employees that were dedicated, conservative members of his own party, supporters. And what he did and through those activities will blow your mind.
The lawyers representing the House are calling for a transparent trial to the public. The Senate will present the rules for the trial on June 20th. Right now, we don't know, but we assume that the testimony of the trial will be made public for those outside of the Capitol to view. We also learned today, as for the suspension of Ken Paxton, the Comptroller's office sent us a letter that they sent to the Office of Attorney General saying that he will not receive money, a salary, from his salary while suspended.